Hiccups are nothing to an old Navy man like me.
Hello, Eugene. How's my little Krabby Wabby?
Doing fine now that you're here, Puffykins.
Oh, my. Are you all right?
SpongeBob giving me a case of hiccups.
Oh, Eugene, hiccups aren't contagious.
My hiccups, they're gone. Oh, your kisses are magical, Puff.
Oh, you. Dear me. I have to powder my gills. I gotta get rid of these rotten hiccups before I pop.